Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a mug, put in 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, preferably not in that voice. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar, give it a stir. Now add about a tablespoon of melted butter and about half an egg. Add a tablespoon of milk, and this is where it gets interesting. Add half a teaspoon of molasses. Now you want aniseed oil extract. Put in about 1/4 teaspoon, depends on how strong you want the flavour to be, and put in some black food colouring. How much is up to you. Now give this a stir. Pop this in the microwave for 90 seconds. On high. Oh yeah. For those of you that love licorice, this is going to be a taste sensation the likes of which your taste buds have never experienced.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.